Boleh Pak.
Boleh. Boleh. Tanya. Tanya. Hello, Nyawan.
Today, after the 31st of May 2023, which was the day when the last discussion was held between the government and all political party on the reservation policy, we have seen that the government has constituted an expert committee, which are members, all of them are from outside of the state. Since the formation of the expert committee, we have seen there's no development. So, out of concern, today we have met the Chief Secretary just to get an update on what is the progress of the expert committee. And after meeting the Chief Secretary today, he has informed us that the expert committee has held a meeting on the 23rd of this month. That was the first meeting. The second meeting will be held on the 6th of December. And the third meeting will be held in Shillong. Because these two meetings are online meetings, which has been conducted by the expert committee. And the third meeting will be in Shillong. And after that, all the political parties, the stakeholders, the NGOs, whoever is concerned about this issue, they will be notified through the press and media to submit recommendation to the expert committee so that the expert committee can look into the matter. And that is the latest update that we have received from the Chief Secretary. But from our side, we have expressed a little bit of concern because it seems that the issue is taking too long. From our point of view, amending a 2-page resolution policy, I don't think needs too much time. It is a 2-page resolution policy. And the provisions are very clear. So we had expected that the expert committee that has been formed by the government will take a fast track so that the aspiration of the people are fulfilled at the earliest. However, the Chief Secretary has told us to wait, and maybe in the coming months things will start to move fast. We will wait for that, and we expect that the government will ensure that these things move on a fast track, and we'll be having meeting again with the expert committee also. And maybe when the expert committee has finalized its recommendation on the amendment of the resolution policy, after that we will be called for a meeting and we will discuss this recommendation. So we'll wait for that time and we'll see what type of recommendation does the expert committee submit to the government before finalizing it. So that is today's main agenda for meeting the CS. And the second agenda is that beside the 5 proposed amendment that we had submitted to government on the 31st of May 2023, today we have submitted one additional proposed amendment. So the total number of amendment proposed by the party is now 6. The new point today that we have submitted is that we have requested the government to take all the private sectors, the organized sector, into the ambit of the 1972 resolution policy. The purpose and the justification for this, we have stated that the government alone will not be able to cater the unemployment of the youth because it is in a very large number. So we have to ensure that the private sectors also help in reducing the unemployment quantity in the state, which will be benefiting for the youth of the state. And the Chief Secretary has agreed to forward this also to the expert committee, to government. And this point, if required, we will submit to the expert committee also. And we'll see from then on how it goes.